Hi there, students. Dowdy, an adjective. Dowdily, the adverb. And I think dowdiness, the noun. Okay, we use dowdy in two slightly different ways. The first one, unattractive, not stylish. Particularly talking about clothes or the attitudes of the person wearing it, and very often because they're old-fashioned. Yeah, so he was wearing dowdy clothes. He dressed dowdily, plain and unfashionable. Yeah, particularly style and dress. So his character was rather dowdy. It was unimpressive, and it was rather old-fashioned. We can also use dowdy to mean shabby, not neat and tidy, lacking style and neatness, lacking smartness and taste. Yeah, not good looking in appearance. So I visited a rather dowdy old museum. It was very old-fashioned. The things in it were not attractively presented. A dowdy institution. So it's not smart, it's not tasteful, it's not the latest thing. Although I think what is dowdy today is hipster tomorrow, is suddenly fashionable again the next day. So I think things go round in style. But if you say something is dowdy, it's not very attractive, it's old-fashioned, it's not looking smart, and it's not tasteful. I was taken to a dowdy restaurant where everything looked old and dusty and rather shabby, and there was no character, no taste to the decoration. Although I have to say the food was very good. He's always wearing dowdy glasses. That's me. Old-fashioned, not smart or not fashionable, and that's the idea. But notice dowdy, I think, particularly talks about clothes and the way someone dresses. Yeah, so my old aunt always dresses very dowdily, but she's really quite a dowdy person. Okay, so what about formality? I think I would probably give dowdy something like 6.5 out of 10. I think it's quite a good descriptive adjective. I think it's probably less commonly used, so it's a good adjective to put in your essays. Yeah, when you're describing, if you describe a person as dowdy, I think that's quite a good word to use. Let's see, I think if you're going to, in an informal conversation, I think I might say unfashionable, tasteless, shabby, not neat. Yeah, something like that. I think you could probably even use the word a dowdy as a noun. Yeah, let's see, so where did it come from? Well, there's a Middle English word, daoud, meaning immoral, unattractive, or a shabbily dressed woman. So the origin of this is rather sexist, but use it for men equally. Yeah, I'm pretty dowdy, I don't wear fashionable stuff. But particularly talking about clothing and fashion. A dowdy old handbag without any style. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dowdy.